Hi, this is the video submitted for Mouser India IoT Design Contest 2K16. Our registered ID is kcnuece@gmail.com and our project title is IoT based kitchen groceries level monitoring system. This kind of issues in your early morning makes you dull and spoils your whole day. The growing popularity of automated system indicates the demand of household devices to be smart and automated to support us in our daily life. Kitchen is one of the ideal places where automation at various levels can be done. Here we implementing a concept to avoid those problems by monitoring your kitchen groceries level through an Android app. Our project is IoT based kitchen groceries level monitoring system. Here you can monitor your kitchen groceries like sugar, salt, coffee, tea, as well as washing powder and level of gas cylinder through an Android app. Components used in this project: ultrasonic sensors, load cell, MSB 430 microcontroller, Murad type YD certified Wi-Fi module, Broadcom BCM 920 73X leak kit. Here now we can see the setup of the groceries level monitoring. An ultrasonic sensor is placed at the top of the jar to find the length between the items present in the jar to the top of the jar. The methodology behind this system starts with finding the volume of jar by using height and the diameter of the jar. To find the items available in the container, the free space measured by the ultrasonic sensor is subtracted from the total height of the container. To find the kilograms present in the jar, we consider that 1 cubic decimeter is equal to 1 liter of water and it is equal to 1 kg. For example, the volume of a cylinder 5 inch in diameter and 6 inch in height is 117.81 cubic inches. It can hold 1.9305 liters of water. This is the load cell we used in this project to calculate the weight of the gas cylinder. The load cell contains 4 wires. Red color is excitation plus, white signal plus, green signal minus, black excitation minus. The principle behind the load cell is Wheatstone bridge. Here we constructed an amplifier which is used to find the strain obtained by the load cell, and then the strain is converted into kg. This is the methodology used in this project. Microcontroller is used to get details from the ultrasonic sensor and load cell. These details are sent to the cloud through Wi-Fi module. On other side, an Android app synced with thingspeak.com is used. Here we can monitor the level of the groceries and as well as the gas cylinder level. Thingspeak.com is a platform where we can sync our Wi-Fi module with the cloud. Here we can select the different fields like sugar, salt, coffee, washing powder, etc. After that, we can save the APK keys. Paste those APK keys into your coding. Now we can see that the jar having medium level of sugar. We already weighed this is around 650 grams. Here you can see that the Android app we created for this project, Kitchen Groceries Level Monitoring System. Here we provided two buttons, that is items and refresh. Refresh is used to refresh the whole data. While going into the items menu, you can see that sugar, salt, oil, gas cylinder. Now we reduced the level of the sugar in the same jar, now having less number of sugar compared with the previous one. And weight is applied in the load cell. Now after removing some amount of sugar from the jar, the level gets decreased to 334 grams. By applying weight to the load cell, the available level of the gas cylinder is also get increased. You can see these in the app. Like this, you can also monitor your groceries like tea, coffee, pepper, masala, sauce and etc. through this IoT based kitchen groceries level monitoring system. Thank you.